I am Dr. Divakar Goel. I am going to talk about my leading book, Departmental Inquiries, Concept, Procedure and Practice. This book is one of the unique books in the country, and I proudly say as an author that this book is the result of my long experience and research over the matter. Being presently I am advocate with Supreme Court of India, and prior to that I was heading the HR for the big government sector. And why this book and what this book is all about? Departmental inquiries, you all know it is called domestic inquiry for the public sectors and as well as for all disciplinary actions. This is the backbone. Why I wrote this book? Because as HR head for international airports, long career, I had played all the roles of presiding officer, inquiry officer, disciplinary authority, appellate authority, and I found that there is no book available in the market which can come as a help book for a person who is appointed as a inquiry officer or presiding officer, or maybe at the level of chief executive or disciplinary authority how to take. So this book came, it was released in the World Book Fair in 2000, and surely it got success across the country in all public sectors, even in central government. What is unique about this book? For the first time, I have introduced the art of cross-examination in departmental inquiries. For the first time, I have given very clarity to the concept of preponderance of probability and principles of natural justice. And for the first time, I have given a model inquiry in this book where a person can find his role very easily with a live case study. The chapters are devoted on inquiry officer, presiding officer, even on defense assistant. Every chapter is having the court rulings, latest case law by high courts and Supreme Court. So a user find current knowledge about it. And the most interesting part of this book is that it is a self-help book. You need not go anywhere when you are an accused, delinquent employee, not accused, inquiry officer or presiding officer or disciplinary authority or appellate authority. Any role which you are playing, you will find your role here and the expert advice on that. Live case studies are there in this book. And I am very happy that Shroff Publishers and distributors have given a justice to this book. And this is the most famous book in the country which is referred, and it has been written with the assistance of my co-author Sangeeta Goel, my wife, who is the co-author of this book, and she is also advocate and practice at Madras High Court, Calcutta High Court, Bombay High Court. She is endowed with Bar Council of Bombay and Goa, and presently here we are researching on this issue. And I will advocate this book to be kept in all public sectors, in all government offices of the country as a great self-help book. You will find the font size has been very big font size, so that the reader find very easily. You see, these are the chapters. Formats I have given about what are the formats to be taken. Sexual harassment, a long thing has been given. For the practicing managers, how to deal with absenteeism, what is go slow, what is the concept of moral turpitude. And you will find this book coming starting from principles of natural justice, what it is and why it should be. This book has been written on the maxim, let the 100 offenders be acquitted but not a single innocent be convicted. This is the basic principle behind this book, that we have to go for preponderance of probability, and we should see that it is not a punitive action. Departmental inquiry basically is a training to reform, reformative action. And I have given about the investigation, preliminary inquiry, what is, how to prepare the charge sheet. Very few people know what is the major penalty, what is minor penalty charge sheet, and what basically is discipline and what the constitution says about it. Mr. M.R. Ghera, the director of Management Development Center, has reviewed this book and recommended it, and I strongly advocate this book, won merits, and let the Shroff Publisher, a very good publisher who has since last about 15 years this book, thousands of copies have been sold, and you will find this book available everywhere. So I think and I welcome all readers to give me the feedback about this book. And this is about all book, the back cover, and it's quite a good book, and with the font size which is relevant to everybody. You can see every chapter is having the court rulings with a different form. All formats are there. The model inquiry, this is the key feature of this book. Right from the beginning, from the state of a complaint, this starts. And it goes on the model inquiry. After inquiry, the order of disciplinary authority, the appellate authority, and the review. Everything is there in this book. Thank you very much. I strongly advocate this book. It is a great pleasure to be an author. Now I've got 18 books to my credit across the world, and more success for this book. And I'm grateful to Shroff Publisher and distributors who are promoting this book like anything. And this is the only publisher in the country who is very judicious and honest in giving the royalty every year without asking. Very few publishers